In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable plugins in Google Chrome. This guide is especially useful for those who want to manage their extensions efficiently, tailoring their browsing experience to better suit their needs. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. There, you'll notice three vertical dots neatly lined up. This icon stands for More, and clicking on it will give you a drop-down menu of options. It acts like your gateway to managing various settings in Chrome, so have a look and then hover your cursor over the option labeled Extensions. Once your cursor hovers over Extensions, you will see an option called Manage Extensions appear. Go ahead and click on this. Doing so will take you to a new page dedicated to all the extensions you have installed in your browser. Think of this page as the command center for all your plugins, where you can control, add, or remove the tools that enhance your browsing experience. Now, with this list of extensions in front of you, you'll see each of your installed plugins along with some quick options for managing them. Let's say you want to disable an extension. Simply look for the toggle switch right next to the name of the extension. If the switch is currently blue or in any color that indicates it's on, click it once, and you'll notice it moves to the off position. The change in the switch's position means you've successfully disabled that extension, which deactivates it from running in your browser. On the flip side, if there's an extension you previously disabled and you now wish to enable it, all you have to do is find it on the same list and click that same toggle switch once again. This time, when the switch moves to the on position and possibly changes color again, it indicates that the extension is active and ready to use. Lastly, if you find there's an extension you no longer need or want to keep, you have the option to remove it entirely. Just under the toggle switch, you'll notice a Remove button. Clicking this will uninstall the extension from Chrome. A quick pointer when removing extensions. Double-check to make sure you don't need it for any pending tasks, as removal is more permanent than simply disabling it. With these straightforward steps, you've now learned how to enable or disable plugins in Google Chrome. Whether you're trying to improve your browser's speed by managing extensions or experimenting with new ones to enhance functionality, these simple steps will help you do just that with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing.